Hi Chandani, how are you?
Fine.
So, okay, so I'm very glad to know you, but in person I don't know you. But yes, it's my pleasure to like record a Zoom session with you because I have uh, listened so many things about you from Preeti. So why don't you just introduce yourself very briefly?
I am Chani Samar, as you know my name, and I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, where Preeti ma'am is residing. That's it. I'm a teacher, and by profession mainly I'm a writer.
Okay, you are right. Yes, Preeti member saying that. Okay, so what's your hobby? What's you do? Like, what's it? What?
Um, no, hobbies are different, and what I'm doing that is different.
Okay,
My hobbies are mainly I like reading books and listening music. These two things are my favorite thing, and for doing I'm doing as I have already told you, I'm a teacher, and writing is also my hobby. That's my passion actually.
okay, good, good. So, uh, like, because you are a writer, so suppose if somebody wants to improve their writing skills, so what you advise them? What you will advise them?
First thing I would like to say, I think writing is not a thing you can learn. Writing is the thing that is I can say it is a inborn quality. You
Inborn
know,
cause.
actually, yes, it is a inborn quality. We born with this, but we have to just enhance it. So if you want to be a writer, first you should have the seeds of writing, and you can water it, you can nourish it by different things, and that can I advise. For being a writer, I think the first thing we should do that is we should read more and more, as much as possible, because by reading you can get lots of knowledge, you can get lots of ideas from those books, and
Okay.
by your creative mind you can convert it into your own ideas. So first condition for being a writer is reading as much as possible, and after that write, meet people, talk to them, and observe the incidents whatever is happening around you.
Mhm.
We should observe it very deeply. This is very important thing. Observation, which is very important. So
So
these are
like,
the things I think
so like,
for being a writer we need all these
okay,
factors.
like we have to focus more on observation. Like we have to observe small peculiarities, and
Yes,
then we have to modify it when we have to describe it in our way, like that you are saying. So like
yes.
like I'm a say I did a PhD in chemistry like 2020.
Chemistry.
Yes. So
Okay.
so just last year I completed my doctorate, and we like
You have completed your doctorate.
yes.
Wow, great. You are senior to me. Actually, I am doing PhD.
Oh, good, good. So like in that way I'm senior to you, but in that sense only because you are
Okay.
already.
So where are you from?
I'm from Delhi actually. So okay, so
So right now you are in Delhi.
no, no, I am now I'm in IIT Bombay and living in Bombay.
Oh, you
So,
live in.
so
I was
like
also in Mumbai some years ago. I think in 2018 I was in Mumbai.
so so like I want to like bring your attention to like writing. Like there are two types of writing. Like when you have to do academic writing, academic writing is
Mhm.
entirely different. It is entirely different from like what you have written in your like in the past and what you are maybe still writing. So how to differentiate between like whenever you have like suppose you have to write something, that how what is the process, what is the procedure you follow?
Procedure. Actually, I don't follow any procedure.
Okay.
This is my fund of writing. I don't follow any procedure. Just any idea comes into my mind, and I just think about that. Yeah, this is whatever I write. I think that should be a type of that should pinch you. If
Right.
any story which has no that quality of pinching, I don't want to write that.
It should go to,
Straight away, I don't want. Yes,
it should go to your heart.
that should not be motivational.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what are you saying?
Then it should touch your heart. It's like that. It should
It
like,
should touch your heart. In any way, either that story should make you cry, that story should make you laugh, make you feel happy, or that can be make you emotional, whatever. But that the story must have a quality to increase or develop any emotion. Then only the story is perfect, I think. So I don't like any straight type of story. So I don't follow any funda. Whenever anything, any idea occurs in my mind, I just follow that. And when I sit to write, all the ideas come automatically in my mind, and I just keep writing.
okay.
So I
So,
don't follow anything.
so
So now
okay.
please tell me something about you.
My, see, I'm basically from Delhi, and I did my graduation and post graduation from Delhi University. Then because I want to go into higher education, so then I decided to do PhD. So then I came to Bombay, I think in 2014, and I joined BRC, Baba Atomic Research Center, and then I did my PhD. After that, in because 2020, we have lost our entire year in lockdown and all the funny things,
Mm,
but not funny, like it is serious. But yes, for academic purpose, like for your professional life, it was mess like that 2020, and still it is mess, because suppose because somebody has to mainly, because like everyone wants to do job, and everybody, like their families depends on them, so they have to go for job, and people are losing job like anything, and because companies are throwing them out because they don't need, because company have their own budget, and they are not, and which is not matching with their they are doing, so they are reducing the capacity of the people in their company, and that's why people are losing job. So it is very like painful in some sense, but
yes,
I
it's very pathetic condition.
very,
So you are in job or not?
yeah, I am doing job. I mean, IIT Bombay, just recently I
Which
got
sector?
job. Yes, in I am doing postdoc.
Sorry,
I am doing postdoc. It is doctorate, after doctorate you have to do postdoctorate, so it is a kind of,
postdoctor.
yes,
It's a kind of job.
yes,
I think
postdoctorate
it's a
is,
kind
no, it's not. See,
it's a kind of
like
study.
after like you do PhD only once, then
Yes.
whatever you do after doctorate, if you are not again enrolling in doctorate, then you do
Mm.
postdoc, and different names are there, like somebody called it's a research associate, or somebody called it like it's a postdoc
So
fellow.
you are doing research on different topics.
Yes, I am with, you can say that. Yes,
You are the researcher.
you can say that, you can use this term.
So what is the topic of research?
Okay, so like initially I was working like in my PhD, I was working on IR detectors and like antioxidant, and then because
Chemistry.
it is,
Chemistry out of my mind.
that is that is why I'm not feeling to discuss it because I don't
Could
want.
you please tell me something about your research topic?
Yes, my research topic, I told you now, my research is like in broad sense, it is on IR detectors. IR detectors are like, suppose like in army, if you have to detect the metals like guns and like ammunition, uh, so you use IR detectors because they are metal detectors. Like in night, you can use them to detect the metal related ammunition.
Mhm.
And antioxidant, they like for like with time your immunity goes down, and then that you need antioxidant for like proper functioning of your cell, and with stress you also lose your cells. So in that kind of, you can relate this kind of, so my job is to find the systems, find the like a molecular system that can means that can be used an antioxidant, or in another case, like it can be used in IR detector. So my work was like that. Now my work is like entirely different. It is basically related to corrosion. Corrosion is like rusting. If you can, like, because more like companies are losing so much material because of rusting. So
Mhm.
in that I am doing my like postdoc in broad sense, just to like make you understand in a very easy manner. So
It's a
that is
very different kind of job
yes, yes.
and different kind of work actually.
Okay, so like okay, so I want to like again come back, get back to your attention to your writing skills, like because we both are associated to language articulation group, and I have seen your videos. You are very fluent, and you're very confident, and you have win so many prizes. So that video
Thank
I
you, thank you.
but I think because I think you are the best person. Means you are the best person that can help people in the in improving their language or communication skills. So like I don't think so. Like your English is like that all the time. You have evolved yourself. You have learned with time. So like initially when you were struggling, so how was like it? How you overcome that?
Uh, you are asking about writing.
Yes, not everything. Like your writing skills, your speaking skills, your communication skills.
Oh, or means you want to know about my struggling days of my life.
Yes,
It was
in
not
terms of
that
writing,
difficult
in terms of writing only, not
in terms of writing.
or yeah, in terms of
Actually, the
speaking.
struggle is continue. Even now, the struggle is continue.
Okay.
I'm struggling. Actually, I'm in a struggling phase. Actually, I'll need to go back. Actually, when I started writing, I was in sixth class and I was only 9 years old. I started writing at that time.
Oh
And,
my God.
but I am active in this field. I have been active in this field, I can say, since 2018.
Oh,
Actually, yes, because before that, before joining this job, I am in teaching profession last 6 years. In 2015, I joined this job as a teacher. Before that, I had not that much money,
oh,
um, and that just because of lack of money, I didn't have any way. Where should I go and how should I publish my book? Actually, I first book named Vedna Kiran, as I mentioned in my video. I wrote it. I completed it in 2016 only, but I didn't know what should I do next. But when I got money, when I earned money, then after when you have money, you will have lots of ways. You got an ability to think. So I got the ability, and I found a way for publishing my book. And I went to Delhi. I met many publishers there, but they all rejected me by saying this, we don't publish new writing. So I
oh,
came back from there, but fortunately I got to know about a publisher, a self publisher, and they were agreed to publish my book. And then my book published in 2018. But actually there were lots of fault in that book, the typing mistakes and all.
typos. Yes.
So I was just since that time I'm just keep running with my books. I'm going to everyone uh, with my book, and many people in our city, I can say that many people have read it and they all liked it very much. And this book has won 2 awards too. But even then, I think uh, the recognition I need and the recognition my book needs, actually I'm not getting that by now, so I'm struggling even now.
Oh,
So for being a writer, I think we have to do lots struggle.
it's a difficult job. Being a writer, and
Yes.
especially in India, where people are running after government jobs. So it's a very difficult thing
Actually,
to do any creative.
you know,
To do any creative thing
yes.
in India, it is still we, because we are developing, and people don't think like dancer, writer in that way. Though they don't see like a future in writing and like any extracurricular activity. But I think I one should.
If you are saying someone that I am a writer, they will ask, okay, that is okay for hobby, but what are
What
you
you are
doing?
doing
What is
for
the
living?
profession?
Yes, yes, yes.
They don't take writing and any art. They don't take it as a profession.
So,
They
like,
say it is okay for time pass.
so let me share my experience with you. So I was during my graduation, I want to write, like I want to write a script for films. That was like means it was coming from my heart. Like I have to write one script, at least a drama script for any drama. But when I told my parents, okay, I want to write a script for drama, they were like laughing at me. They were saying, oh my god, now you went to college, now then after that you will say you have to write, then you will say you have to do another thing, just focus on your studies. I said, it is like some like it, you are killing someone's dreams. And I don't see that. I don't see any fault in that, because I think they are our parents. They want to see ourselves like settled in future. And writing and these things are like, it is a difficult job. And like people are write some people write for their hobbies. They are writing for their hobbies only. And some take it very professionally. They write it in a very professional manner. So like if you want to do something, that you have to be continuously, like you have to be actively involved in that. Otherwise it is not going to like, you will not going to get success in your work. I believe. And whatever work you are doing, I think you should put your heart in that. And that's why it is very important to choose your profession wisely. If you are not able to put your heart into that, then definitely it is not going to help you in future. And that is the
One thing
case. Hmm.
Yes. One thing I have come to know that if whatever you are doing, if you are really, as you said, if you are putting your heart and soul in that work, now you can get, you will surely get results. But you will have to do that much effort. You will have to put that much effort in that. As you were discussing, you were sharing some incident.
Yeah, I shared that incident with my like with the writing experience. So I already did.
What did you let? What did you let after?
I'm
As you were,
sorry.
you
I,
wanted.
I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Your voice was breaking.
I'm saying that you wanted to be a writer and you shared it with your parents
Then
and they denied for it.
yes, they
What
completely.
what did you do after that?
I decided, okay, I have to write something because I want to become a writer. So like I have to. So I want to write, and I want to be in like science, because my pure love is for my work, and I always believe in my dream. So I always feel, okay, I have to be in this field. So then I publish papers. I like I I decided, okay, I have to, because you want to write, then you can write scientific things. There is no harm in that. One in another way, you are actually fulfilling your dreams. You are okay in that, not in that sense, but yes, actually means at least you are writing. So with that, I settled down. But okay, so I think I have to like ask you very important question. Like because you can see in our group there are so many people, there are so many like learners in our group, and they are in their initial periods. So what do you advise them? Like, and I ask you very precisely. Suppose somebody have 30 minutes in their day, and they have to divide it for their learning, or they have want to means for their improving
For English,
yes, for the improvement of their communication skills. So how they should divide their time, like how to, which part they should cover the max.
I think two things they should do. They can divide this half an hour in two parts, 15 and 15 minutes. I think that will be enough. We should learn one sentence every day, one different
Oh,
sentence every day. And today, if I take that, yes, I know. For example, I'm taking a sentence like I have learned today. He made me happy. Okay, I learned it. So just take one sentence for one day and just keep speaking and keep thinking about this type of sentences for the whole day. That sentence will be your fully. This is the one thing. And the second thing, 15 minutes you should hear someone, some good speaker. It will be very useful.
oh.
Listening, and it was my method actually. But even then I'm not able to speak that about it. Most of the time I make mistakes, and this is because of lack of practice. I am speaking English after so many years. I can say that after leaving Vita, no one were there with whom I can talk. That's why my spoken is so worst, I can say. So
No,
these two things I think everyone should do for improving their English. We should learn one sentence every day, and we should hear some good speaker. That will be very useful.
Okay,
And
so
while you are listening any speaker, you will get new words from there. That will also useful.
who is your favorite speaker? Like whom you listen, who you like to listen the most?
Ma'am actually suggested me about her. She's Shivani.
Okay,
B.S. Shivani.
yes, Shivani.
She's
Yeah.
a motivational speaker, and she speaks very slowly, but her words, her articulation, her sentence formation, all the things are very good.
Okay, so like you love to listen, B.S.
Yes,
Shivani.
and I like listen Amitabh Bachchan. I like listening Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan is
He's a
very,
very good speaker.
yeah.
Yeah, very good speaker.
And with time, he has evolved. He has evolved a lot. And I think initially he was very good in Hindi, but with time, I think his English is like one should admire him for his English at
Yes,
least.
yes. And he doesn't use any difficult words, any
Yes.
difficult sentence. He speaks in so simple way, and it is so impressive.
Yes, I think the one of the beauty of the English is like you should not speak very fast. I think more slow you can speak. Slower you speak, better you look while speaking. And I think one should try to speak in a very slow manner so that others can understand. But yes, when we become fluent, it is by default because we become habitual of that. Okay, we have to speak fast. But I think your communication skill is very good. Okay, so the last words to the viewers, those who will watch this video. So last word from your side to the learners, what you will suggest?
To the learners. I think for the learners, I have one and only sentence that is just keep learning, keep reading. This is very important because I always want to stay a student for my whole life. So there are lots of things to learn. And if I'm talking about English, as for Indian students, I can say that English is not our mother tongue. So that most of the time, many times, so we have to face lots of difficulties while speaking. So we should always try to learn something new. We should always try to listen to the speaker, and because that will be very useful for our speaking.
Okay.
But Rahul, before ending the session, I have a very curiosity. I have a question for you. That I want to know that what are you doing present time about your writing? What are you doing in your writing? Have you
See,
left it or are you continue with it?
no. See, the thing is, like now I'm not getting the time to write anything. But yes, because my work is like that. I have to work always like 12 hours per day, minimum 12 hours per day, and the most of the time go in like doing my work or reading some scientific journal or like, and whatever time I have left, then I will try to record videos and I try to help like learners and try to record videos for their assessment so that at least they will
You
feel
have
okay.
left writing.
Huh?
You have left writing.
You can say that not complete,
So you
not
are writing in another way. Writing
yes,
journal is also a part of writing.
yes, you can say that, but
Writing stories, writing films
no,
and all.
yes, that I have left.
Literature writing.
Yes, that I have left. You have to like you have to sacrifice your one thing you have to sacrifice, and because now the work is like that, I have so much pressure of my work, and now like suppose in future if I get the time to write something, then I will definitely going to write. And
So you are putting your that talent in research writing and all, journal writing.
you can say that like my more like I focus more on my work because I think I have so many scientific stories because I have listened those stories in the videos, but I feel okay genuinely because the stories are so inspiring. One should write them in their words, and at least it should reach to common people because I think the one of the like doctors, you can say doctors, you can say soldiers, they you can say still they are recognized in some way. But I think the the scientists, the researchers, they are not recognized. People don't know that what they have contributed to the society. And if
Yes.
somebody can, if somebody can tell them, okay, like the bulb you are using, the phone you are using, the car you are using. It is not. It's the making of car is a story. The car you use today, it's a story. In that way, if I can write in future, I hope one day I will write. But definitely, I my plan is I have a plan for my writing, but I think
Don't worry,
once
I'll be filmmaker. You just make good stories. We will work together.
definitely,
I will be a filmmaker, just script writer in Bollywood. So I'll definitely go there. You just get ready for that.
okay, so and okay, so I'm very glad to talk to you. It is my like pleasure to meet you in person, and definitely I think we will continue that, and I will record such these kind of inspiring videos because people like you motivate so many people and so many generations, and I think you are the future of like maybe of Indian writing one day.
You're also, you're also the future of our country,
Uh,
of our society.
okay, so just take care of
We all
yourself.
have to.
Okay, so
We all have to.
please finish.
Yes.
Please finish. You were saying
Sorry.
something. You were saying something.
No, I was just saying that we all are in some special field. Everyone has his own field, and in whatever field we are, we have to do our best in that field. We should do our best in that
Yeah,
field. That's it.
if we are getting money from any organization, we should do justice to our work. Like suppose
Yes.
the one thing is like loyalty to your work. It is very
Actually,
important.
it's not only about money and it's not only about loyalty to your work only. It's a loyalty to your own personality with
Yes.
as a humanity with your country. No, only I think it's my personal view. I'm sharing with you that only shoulder is not the patriot. He is not only saving our country and he is not only sacrificing for our country, but we all are patriot at our own place.
Yes.
Whatever we are doing, if we are doing it honestly, it means we are serving a country. So we all are patriot and we all are doing this. So
Very
that
good.
should be, this feeling we should have.
Very good thought that you have shared, and I means I hope you success. You will get whatever you want to achieve in your life. I wish I could get the same, but okay, okay. So take care. Bye bye. Nice to
Okay,
meet
thank
you.
you so much.
Nice
Bye.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Really, it's pleasure meeting to you. Thank you.